Hello everyone, my name is Emily and I have some exciting news today because I just received a package that I've been waiting for the longest time. This, and I'm pretty sure, is my new MacBook. My old MacBook. It's a 2012 and some of the keys, specifically the vowels, do not work. I've been wanting a MacBook for a very long time. It's had its hard drive replaced, and I've tried to bear with it as much as I can. I can only use iMovie because I don't have the latest software because I'm not allowed to update my software anymore because it's so old. So I got the MacBook Air 2020. So this is the box. This is the box. These are the scissors. I can't believe it. This is it. Wow, 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 wow. Oh wait, you can't see. Go. I'll let you all look for it yourself. Laptop. The reveal. It's everything you could ever want. It's Air. Along with my purchase of the MacBook, I bought myself a MacBook cover, an adapter, and some Hangul keyboard stickers. Decided to go white. I thought maybe white would look more sophisticated. And this is so much lighter than the one I had before. Ooh. Oh, it just turns on. I opened it and it turned on. So I guess we're doing this. I really can't believe that this is my life right now. Granted, I don't have as much money as I did before. Sorry about the brightness, but I'm trying to migrate my old stuff into my new stuff. So that's what's going on. Okay, everyone, I was very impatient. It's gonna be like 12 hours, so I decided to just start fresh. And I looked up like people talking about it and they suggested starting fresh and just downloading things manually. Now I don't have all this junk that I don't actually use on my old MacBook in here, and I can just pick the things that I really need. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, and I will catch you later. That's what it looks like. I just added the stickers for the Hangul. It doesn't look that great, gonna admit. I didn't want to get it covered because I didn't want to change the feeling of the keys, but like, it looks worse on the camera than it does in real life. And also this light's shining on it, but education first, right? I'll show you all later what the cover looks like on here. It wasn't working a while ago, so we shall see. I don't think you can tell, but the clarity, I'm just not used to that. The Retina display is so good. My 2012 couldn't relate. Oh my God. It's beautiful. I'm going to try to install this. Now I checked it, this did say that it was supposed to like work on 2020. Okay. I'll take care of you. Oh, I don't think it fits. Oh, see how it's not doing it? The next one. I'm getting at people how to watch a video. And then close it. And then I feel like this is not good. This is now my very white laptop. It's weird because you can't see the Apple sign, but it's fine. As long as it's safe. Ugh. Is it supposed to look like that? Does that look secure to you? That's good enough for me. Well, this probably was kind of a boring video. It was more fun for me, but expect better videos because I just downloaded Final Cut Pro so that my videos are better. Okay, well, I will see you all in the next video. Subscribe if you want to do that, and like the video if you enjoyed this, and hit the little bell if you want to know when the next one comes out, because there will be a next one. Bye!